Right, something new that's come out is the Sprukits. Tell us all about this, Chris. This looks kind of cool.
This is something we do in Japan. It comes from our same factory as our Gundams, which are huge in Japan. So these are built in the same factory, and they're clip kits. So it's very similar to like sort of like building sort of construction style like Lego, but it's a little bit more advanced than that, and it builds a big action figure at the end of it. So you get like a cool...
This is one of the kits here.
Yeah, they're clip kits. So all they do is that's what we call a sprue. They just snap out of them. They're all injection molded. So the character that you get at the end of it looks like a full-on action figure, but you build it yourself. So it's a lot more articulated, a lot more detail in it. But you also get the fun of actually constructing them yourself. So you build your own heroes.
Well, years ago there was a modelling company, I won't mention the name,
yeah,
that used to do aeroplanes.
Yes.
And this looks like the same kind of kits.
Except for being a Japanese company, we revolutionised this, and this comes away clean. There's no residual sprue parts on it. Yep. And well, you can just see how fantastic the models look. And they're pre-done, so they're done like this. They come off the sprue, and you've built yourself an action figure.
Fantastic.
So you've got them in 3 different levels. You've got your level 1s, which are the slightly easier, challenging ones, and then you go up to the level 2s. So we do them in DC and Halo to launch with. So the Halos are really cool, and then we've got all the DC superheroes, and then you've got the big boys at the bottom, the level 3. So they're like
those,
yeah, about 160, 200 pieces of clip, and everything you learn from like the level 1 to level 2 helps you to develop building into the next one. So you sort of learn how the joints work and that.
What length of time would you say it takes to build level 1, level 2, level 3?
On
average?
I'd say a level 1 first time, 20 minutes to a half an hour, depending on you know, if you've done Lego before, you'd probably be all right with it. Level 2s, they take about an hour, maybe a little bit more. The big level 3s up to 2 hours, sometimes even more. There's a lot of pieces on them, so yeah.
Are they mass produced, or are they going to be collector's items?
Well, at the moment, it's a very, very small line, so it's a very tight launch line. I mean, the level 3s, there will only be a small amount of them, and we've got very limited distribution on it to start with, because it's a brand new brand. But we look to extend the line, a lot more licenses coming through, so hopefully it'll be a big mass product, but there will always be some niche sort of things that you can't get anywhere else, that we will always do in these products. So.
Fantastic.
But yeah, they're really, really cool. Something a little bit different, something from our Japanese heritage, our roots, and it's something that construction is so big at the moment. It was a no-brainer for us. You know, we've always wanted to bring it across, so time to do it with cool licenses.
So there you go, something to look out for is Sprukits. Clubit TV. TV.